Hey, how's it going? Can someone check the resolution on this shit, please? How's it going? Is it blurry? Is it good? On the charts, can you guys see the lines? Everything good? The charts, can you guys see the lines? Everything good? It looks good? What's mod, bro? Can you guys see the lines? Everything good? It looks good? What's mod, bro? So you guys see everything good? Brown Panther, crazy bro. Do you guys see everything good? Chilling. Let me put on my big ass fucking chart in here. Yeah, super good. Everything good. 100 HD type shit. Perfect, right? Sound good? Sound good. All right, for like if anyone asks what's the pair, you can clearly see there's a fucking big ass watermark in the middle, right? It says XAU USD means is what? Gold. Sexy. I love it. Fucking kill it, guys. All right, so I'm gonna set up the Zoom and I'll be right back. Okay? Stay on the line. Stay on the line. Stay on the line. Let me do another test on the on my speed. My speed is 432 megabits per second on download and 248 on upload. And I'll test it out again with you guys on it. See how it's going. All right, that's good. That's good. Good. Oh, fucking cramps. So I'm gonna be talking today about also bodybuilding. I know somebody was asking me like, what's my routine and what do I do? Because I was trying to compete at one point. So we got Nick. Nick, can you talk? Kaz, can you talk? Oh, so I could test the audio out, please, guys. Talk.
Yo, what's going on?
Can you guys hear? Can you guys hear? David. Chat.
Sorry, I just had to plug in my mic.
That's fine. That's fine. Nick, can you talk?
Yo.
Yeah. Can you guys hear Nick and David? Perfect. Good. Awesome. Fucking get it. All right. So I'm gonna wait till everyone, the gulaggers, the slackers, everyone jumps in. Okay, so give me like 10 minutes and we should be starting. I'm gonna do a clean chart on GJ as well as gold. So Cass, send me the link for on Slack on Zoom, please, because I lost it. Or Nick, anyone?
I'm not in the Slack.
You're not in the Slack.
No.
Where's the Zoom link, bro? I don't have a fucking Zoom link, man. That's all you get, bro. Fucking chat. What do you want a Zoom link for? What's up? Mamón, tu madre, hijo de puta. Iron Man. You're gonna get the Zoom link in 20 years from now. Clay, my dog Clay. I fucking love you, Clay. Clayton. The YouTube streamers are back. Like they never left. Okay, so what do we got here? We got GJ on the 30-minute. I'm gonna go into the 4-hour and break this shit down for you guys. This is a chart that I don't use, so let me go ahead and change it. All right, perfect. All right, so we got the 4-hour on the screen. I'm gonna go ahead and put the lineup on the side. You guys can see the cute faces. Yes, Clay, you will definitely be fucking dead by then, but we still love you, man. Let me go check the 4-hour. Okay, so it's gonna be messy. I'm gonna do a whole recap, delete everything around here, and do a clean chart. But for now, I'm just waiting to post a couple more links. Already got 2 dislikes. One of them is probably Iron Man, and the other one, I'm trying to guess who. Don't worry, it's so loving here. I know you didn't. I love you, man. Love you, fucking Clay. Hello. Capital Hungry. It's no waiting room here, but I still need to send me the. Must have been beats. Nah, bro, Monty wouldn't dislike my thing. It's like whoever disliked it, probably have a lot of hate towards me. I don't know, man. I'm a pretty cool guy, man. I don't know why people dislike my shit, bro. Sucks. I'm just waiting for my FX fam members to join, and you're interested in seeing my stream. Dope. Sergeant Kerwin. Yeah, he's on the way right now. I'm just waiting for this to populate. All right, so I guess somebody posted it on Slack. Okay, cool. You guys got the link on Slack? Okay, someone's sending me the Slack link. Man, you've been saying yes for the last 2 hours, bro. Oh, okay, cool. Oh, okay, cool. All right, so we're gonna get started right now, guys. Welcome to the Asian session. My name is Mack. I am Haitian, but I hosted, baby. We're gonna have Capital Hungry show up. We're gonna have Kerwin as well soon. In the meantime, I'm just gonna go ahead and go over GBP, JPY, also gold. For the first week of this fiscal year, first quarter. I'm gonna try to go ahead and highlight any good movements that have happened. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and set up a clear chart on the 4 hour, which is gonna be mainly higher time frames, which is what we want to discuss during nation, since there is not that much volume to scalp or set up a entry for pre-London, right? For now, this is a little messy, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my best to clean up everything. Okay. So starting from the daily, I'm gonna go ahead and delete everything from here, right? So it's gonna be basically a brand new naked chart. So daily we have created a high at 141,800. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that up here. Previous low, I don't want to go that far back, so let's go back to October. Anyway, we still on a very bullish trend, as you guys can see, which I'm gonna go ahead and draw here just for visual aids only. And from now we're gonna go down to the 4 hour as soon as I draw my zones of rejections. So one will be here. I want to extend it a little more. and the next will be down here. So that will be my demand and supply. Boom. All right. So for our all right, perfect. So we're gonna set up a line here for resistance, which was broken today. Also set up some zones of rejection right here, and now down to this bottom line here, which will be the most recent support on the 4-hour, and that's what we're going to draw a zone of rejection right here. So this will basically be a channel, a range, if you want to call it, from 141 down to 139,500. Previously, when I set up also this, just to have it in just to keep it here for references, right? I'm not gonna extend this zone down to previous, I mean to current price, but just so you guys can know what happened last week. And that's one right here, right? Okay. All right. So I want to leave it as clean as possible, and just bring this up here a little more. If you want to get close to a quarter point, will be 200, which is here. That's perfect. Hey Mac, what are you, I'm not gonna check any charts right now, guys. Give me 1 second. I'm drawing on GBP JPY so you guys can see how I draw my zones. I've been doing this since I started streaming. I'll get a clean chart and start from zero, right? I actually peep this here, that wick on top, and overall trend it's still respecting. And last time we had Jivan, he actually, from Capital Hungry, he broke all this down from the March lows up to today's dates, and that was very interesting. The analysis is actually on his YouTube at Capital Hungry, that at Capital Hungry on YouTube. All right, so let me go down to the 1 hour. All right, 1 hour looks good. You got this minor support around here, which if you want to take in consideration, we could go ahead and draw a zone of rejection right below here for, like I said, future references in case we go ahead and have a dip. And now to the 30-minute. Lately we've been having nasty ranges on GBP JPY, but definitely we've had some incredible setups for 100 pip ranges. This is already the 30-minute, and perfect. Okay. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and go on to gold. Gold, actually, I'm gonna just leave it as it is right now. I know it looks kind of like a puzzle, but this is for me, personal use only. So you could go, we could check the 4-hour as well, see if we need to set up new lines and and drawings. Go ahead and take this out, 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 out. Clean charts are good. Like I said before, I'm a very visual person, so when it comes to seeing colors and lines, I think is a lot better for me when it comes to that, and I get more confluence per se. This right here was the like scene drop, yeah. So it was like 1,000 pips. Okay. So far we corrected this whole move to the upside on the 6. Continue to drop, creating some minor support. Well, strong support on the 4-hour, right at 1831. So we're basically in this channel here on this range from 1868 down to 1833. If we want, we could make it a little tighter just to be more specific. Let's bring this down here for that high that was created today. Just take it out. Alright, so let's go back on GJ. The gold is done. So on gold, if you want to get a clean move on gold, best believe you will be getting a much better entry if we get a clean break right above 1863, just to write it up again up to previous highs, maybe 1900. If we continue to break down, then you would need a breakup below 1833 to then retest these previous lows at 1770, right? But let's just concentrate on GJ for now. On GJ on the 30-minute, we had this area today after London Open, right? So this is London Open. Right at London Open, we had this incredible push up, which was about 54 pips. Then we started to create some minor resistance around this area. So let's go ahead and draw a line here. A little thin line. Support, sorry. From there, price did not break. It hasn't retested this, which, you should definitely expect a retest of 141,500 for it to continue up. But looking into the 4-hour, we did break above this strong resistance we had this past week. It's at 141,200. It held for a while. Today it broke, so that's good. We were expecting some liquidity to the downside for it to continue up, creating a lower low. A higher low for then to create the next higher high. So far on my zone, which is my next target on GJ, after we break 141,800, go scroll back here, we have this wick up on the top. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna set up a line right on top of the bodies, and then from here I'll set up a zone of rejection, just like this. I don't want to make it too thick. I like thick. But anyway, let's just keep it like that, right? So always be aware of that zone. So as soon as we get to that area, we want to see some reaction to it, right? And see what's going on. If either we can reject it and expect something like this. Yeah, let me just draw with the brush. Something like this. and then a break up, right? Similar to what we had here, right below here. Oops. Something like this. Ding, ding, ding. And then another break. And what the fuck? How do I delete this shit? Man, I hate using that stupid brush, bro. Anyway, whatever. Just keep the crosshair on for now. So we had that, right? We had the movement here from last week. I'm expecting to get something similar to that. If we break above this area, something like this, keep that range, and then keep on breaking up. And retest that previous high at 142 on 500 for then price to continue up. If not,
the erasers right there on the top left, by the way, where their crosshairs are.
Crosshair, eraser. There you go. Oh, thank you. Who's that? Who's talking? Tyler? Thank you, Tyler. Well, you guys see the screen good, right? The resolution is fine. Everything's good. It's a big ass screen, bro. Or next scenario, it will be something like this, and the range, instead of being on this on this upper channel, will be right below here. So let me go ahead and use the brush again. So you got different several scenarios to play. If we do get a break above here and continue up, perfect. If not, then we will get a retest down below to the 141-200 area. Hopefully, depending on any fundamental news, we are staying up above this range of 141-200, and hope that price continues up, right? As of right now, I'll just be looking for buys. During nation session, I turn off my MetaTrader. I turn off anything that's related to entering a trade, because I'm not gonna go ahead and enter a trade. I don't want to be stuck in a trade for 2 hours, 3 hours. The main reason we created this stream is for entertainment purposes, and for me to go ahead and check charts, which I'll do later. I'll also have a couple people show up here, explain previous setups and future setups as well. Also, this is very unique when it comes to preparing for pre-London and London Open. As we know, we do get more volatility around that time, which is 3 a.m. Eastern time. What else? So yeah, usually on during nation, between the hours of 6 p.m. until, let's say, 9:30 p.m., there's not gonna be that much volume in the market. Sometimes you can get a nice trade between, let's say 15 to 20 pips on gold or even GJ, but honestly, that's not I don't trade Asian anymore. I used to, but I gave up. It's pretty annoying. All right. All right, so let me go ahead and read the chat for a little, see what's going on. Oh, perfect. A good trade today. Well, not so not much of a good trade, you know, after what happened during London Open. Was actually this little push to the upside, but GJ decided to create a fake out. It continued down, and this is the area that I'm looking for to see a reaction, to see if we either break down or break above. Thank you for the stream. Yeah, no work. You're welcome, brother. Anything. I'm gonna go ahead and set up this tab just to go ahead and check some charts. The bars pattern in TradingView lets you copy a group of candles and paste them somewhere else like this. Okay, let's see that. Matt, can you take your shirt off during the stream? No, it's pretty sus.